Hello and welcome to the Art of Selling Online Courses. The goal of this podcast is to share winning strategies and secret hacks from top performers in the online course industry. My name is John Ainsworth and my guest today is Jeff Sauer. Now, Jeff is the founder of Data Driven You. He's a business coach, a blogger, a lecturer, and a proud Minnesotan. We are big fans because he's a big believer in data-driven marketing. Obviously, it's in the name of his business and ours, which is awesome. He's been featured in lots of industry publications and best of lists. He's had 49,000 digital marketers enroll in his digital marketing certification programs. He's delivered over 100 keynote presentations and workshops in 20 countries. His personal ambition is to share his knowledge and passion around online marketing with 1 million students through his online programs. And kind of a fun thing, Jeff, I don't think you know this, he's kind of famous in this space. I know this because I had someone the other day see that we work with Jeff and go, you're working with Data Driven You, you guys must be legit. And so I was like, oh, look at Jeff, eh? So before we start learning from Jeff, I want to mention our sponsor. Today's sponsor is my company, Data Driven Marketing. And what we do is we help online course creators to increase their revenue 20 to 100% through strategic funnel optimization. So we help you convert more visitors into leads, leads into sales, and sales to higher revenue. We do that through email marketing, upsells, webinars, all kinds of clever tactics like that. So go to datadrivenmarketing.co/calculator to find out how much more you could be making from your online courses with your existing traffic and email list. Now, Jeff, welcome to the show.
Hey, thanks for having me, John.
Now, I've given kind of an intro for everybody about a little bit of background about what you guys do, but could you fill everybody in on what your courses are about and who your audience is?
Yeah, sure. So I started out in an agency background and I had an agency for 15 years. We just sold it a couple of weeks ago. So
Nice.
That's pretty cool milestone for us. And while I was in the agency world, I realized that nobody that I was trying to hire as we were growing like crazy, I couldn't find anybody with any digital marketing skills. And I figured instead of complaining about it, I decided to start teaching it. And I did that low key in the Twin Cities in Minnesota and eventually went to online when I became a digital nomad. And I've been doing that ever since. And so I basically just taught the skills that I wish people would have had when I was hiring at my agency. And it was skills around the Google suite of tools. And we did a lot of work in Google Ads, or AdWords as it was called at the time, Google Analytics, basically the whole Google suite of marketing tools. And from there, I basically just taught these classes about how to use them, how to get the most out of it, and how to not trust the major platform providers. And then I did it again. I've done it with Facebook ads as a platform. I've done it with guest instructors around LinkedIn outreach. We've done a lot of programs around how to build an agency like I did, how to get new customers, how to be a better business owner. And so we sort of started off just doing a bunch of one-off courses about what I was interested in and what I noticed the marketplace didn't have. And from there, it's grew organically into being anything around the intersection between data and marketing.